All right, what do you say, folks? This Tuesday morning, we're back at it, and guess what? We've got another market in the green. That's right, Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, all trading higher to the tune of 0.4% on the back of a very strong day and start to the 2022 trading year yesterday. So the trend continues. Why? Well, a number of things. One, really, the new COVID variant, Omicron. We're starting to get folks around the globe saying that yes, while it's highly transmissible, severity seems to be down. Could mean, hopefully, that we're starting to see ourselves on the tail end of this thing. Who knows? But that's given the market a bit of a bump. We've also got a slew of economic data out. We've got another jobs number out today. We've got the big December jobs report coming out on Friday. That's the biggie, potential risk event. So that's going to finalize the end of the week, and just a spattering of numbers between now and then. So again, it's a very data-heavy week, a lot going on. Now, looking at some of these individual markets, like I said, stock market trading higher. We've also got oil trading higher this morning, just shy of $77 a barrel in WTI. Jump over to FX, pretty quiet with the exception of that dollar yen. Dollar yen continues to be where all the action's at as of lately. Again, this morning trading higher by nearly 1%, up above 116. So that drive higher by the dollar continues in that dollar yen. So if you're looking for action, definitely some action there. All right, folks, that's going to be a wrap for today. Let's get in there. It's a new trader. Check out our education, get to our demo account. Let's trade some price action. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.